Top 5 Health Benefits of Garlic. Garlic is renowned for both its medicinal properties and its widespread use as a culinary staple in most kitchens. What is garlic? Belonging to the Liliaceae family, which includes other members like onions, leeks, chives, and shallots, garlic is a hardy perennial that is among the oldest cultivated plants globally. Its unique flavor and pungent aroma distinguish it from other members of the family. Garlic's bulb, consisting of 8 to 20 teardrop-shaped cloves, is the most frequently used part of the plant. The cloves are enclosed in a white, parchment-like skin. Nutritional profile of garlic. 1 clove, 4 g, of garlic provides for kcal or 16 kJ, 0.3 g protein, 0.0 g fat, 0.7 g carbohydrates, 0.2 g fiber, 25 milligrams potassium. 5 health benefits of garlic. 1. Contains compounds with medicinal properties. Garlic owes much of its therapeutic reputation to allicin, an active compound that gives it its distinct taste and pungent odor. Fortunately, chopping or crushing garlic produces allicin. However, applying heat is believed to reduce some of its medicinal properties, so it's best to add garlic towards the end of the cooking process. 2. May reduce the risk of heart attacks. Numerous studies have investigated the potential of garlic in lowering the risk of heart disease and managing cholesterol levels. Several of these studies indicate that garlic can decrease the likelihood of platelets, the cells involved in blood clotting, sticking together and building up on artery walls. This anticoagulant effect of garlic reduces the risk of heart attacks. Garlic has the potential to lower blood pressure by expanding blood vessels, which enhances blood flow. 3. May have anti-cancer properties. Studies have examined the sulfurous compounds in garlic for their ability to hinder cancerous cells and prevent tumors. However, most of the evidence supporting garlic's potential in reducing the risk of colon, prostate, esophageal, and renal cancer is observational and includes a small number of subjects. Consequently, the effect of garlic on cancer is still uncertain, and more extensive studies are necessary. 4. Has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. For many years, garlic has been utilized as an infection fighter against viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Its antibacterial properties have earned it the moniker of Russian penicillin, which is due to the presence of allicin. Garlic oil or a raw crushed garlic clove may be effective in treating certain skin ailments such as warts and insect bites. 5. May support bone health. Studies conducted on animals have indicated that garlic can reduce bone loss in female rodents by increasing estrogen levels. Similarly, in postmenopausal women, the consumption of a daily dose of dry garlic extract, equivalent to 2 g of raw garlic, has been found to have a similar effect. Research indicates that garlic consumption may alleviate the inflammatory symptoms associated with osteoarthritis. Health benefits of wild garlic. Wild garlic and clove garlic have comparable health benefits, both possessing several compounds with medicinal properties such as antibacterial and antifungal effects. However, wild garlic has demonstrated an even more significant impact on reducing blood pressure than regular garlic. Is garlic safe for everyone? Garlic is a safe food, and allergies are infrequent. If you are taking garlic supplements to manage your cholesterol levels, it is recommended that you have your cholesterol levels checked after 3 months. The suggested daily intake of garlic is between 1/2 to 1 whole clove per day, which is approximately 3,000 to 6,000 micrograms of allicin. It should be noted that high doses of garlic may cause indigestion, intestinal gas, or diarrhea in some individuals. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.